Welcome back. While the weather isn't looking too pretty for Memorial Day weekend, that doesn't mean we can't celebrate. And a good celebration starts with some festive decorations. Today for Getting Crafty, Amy Latta is showing us a patriotic pennant banner that can go anywhere. This is so cute. Thanks for being with us.
Of course. I love to get festive and to decorate inside and outside for holidays. And so, as you know, Memorial Day is coming up, as well as lots of other patriotic things over the summer. So I thought I would share with you the most recent decor that I created for us for this weekend. And it's just this felt pennant banner.
Yeah, red, white, and blue. I love it. It's adorable. Talk me through this project. What do we need?
Sure. So one of my favorite things about this project, Amanda, is that literally all you need is felt, scissors, string, and glue. That's it. And you probably already have most of these things in your home already. So just red, white, and blue felt, any kind of string or twine that you want. I like to use hot glue because it's instant, and a good pair of scissors.
Okay, so what do we do?
So the first thing you're going to do is decide how large you want your banner to be. This one I designed for my mantle. You could hang it on a bookshelf or your entryway, anywhere you want to put it. And then I also did a little mini version here for on a frame, and you could make these anywhere in between, bigger, smaller. So you decide how large you want your banner to be, and then you're going to come up with a triangle that's the right size for your banner. And you can trace something that's in your home. I love tracing things. Or you could pull up an image online and print it out, just print out a triangle, and then use that as your pattern, and you're just going to cut bunches of red, white, and blue triangles. Then you're going to take your string, however long you want it to be, and all you're going to do is apply hot glue to the top part of one side of the triangle.
Okay.
And then you're going to attach it to the string. Now when you do this, you want to sit down the felt triangle and place the string on top. And notice, Amanda, I'm not touching it with my hands, because if I stuck my finger in that, that's going to hurt. It's hot glue, it's going to burn. So you're going to use the string almost like, think about like dental floss. You're going to put it down on either side, and that's going to adhere it. And you can do red, white, blue, blue, white, red. You can do any pattern that you like. And then you're just going to glue one at a time until all of your pennants are on your banner.
And we were mentioning that this project could be great for a kid's room, for a baby shower, another barbecue, a bridal shower, a wedding, really anything. So you have the instructions on how to do this, what you'll need, all of that listed on your website. Is that correct?
I do. If you head to amylattacreations.com, I have on my front page, the first thing you'll see is As Seen on TV, and there's a link to this project that has all the instructions and step-by-step photos.
Now, at the beginning of the show, we were talking about this beautiful artwork that you did for the Star Spangled Banner. And we were talking about how some people don't have the right handwriting for it, or they believe they don't, James Crummell. And we were talking about how it may be difficult for some people, like Amy Kim. But you've made it easy, so tell me about that.
So first of all, I really believe that anyone can hand letter. That's what I'm all about.
James said that, not you.
So I'm just saying, James and Amy, you need to grab one of my books, Hand Lettering for Relaxation, Hand Lettering Off the Page, or you can sign up for my brand new Lettering Academy. If you go to my website, I'm teaching Zoom classes where I have 10 or less students per class, so we can really interact, and I can walk you through starting with Lettering 101, which is lettering for Amy's and lettering for James's.
But if they want to practice, but they want this up for this weekend, how can they get it?
So great question. I actually, when I created this, I was so excited with how it turned out that I really wanted to share it and make it available for anybody who wanted it, even if your hand lettering is not quite at this level yet. So if you head to my website, amylattacreations.com, same link, you're going to find where you can click and you can print this. It's a free printable. It prints out to this 8.5 by 11, or you can resize it in whatever photo editor you like to use. Pop it in a frame, totally free. Just print it, frame it, and you've got yourself some decor.
Great. Amy, thanks so much.
Always a pleasure.
We'll be right back.